This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by turning on the built-in nightlight, so blue light drops immediately. Open Settings, go to System then Display and flip Nightlight on. You'll see warmer tones right away. Once done, adjust the strength slider to set how orange or subtle the shift should be, because that controls comfort and color fidelity. Make sure to pick a schedule next, either sunset to sunrise for automatic changes or custom hours if you work odd shifts. Now you'll refine how night light behaves so it fits your workflow and vision. First, tune the color temperature. Slightly cooler during focused daytime tasks, much warmer an hour before bed to reduce melatonin suppression. Next, use sunset to sunrise scheduling so your PC follows natural light if you want automation. It uses location data to shift times. If you need finer control, install Lux or tweak your monitor's OSD color settings. The extra precision helps match multiple displays. Finish by testing the setup. Read, watch video, and switch apps to verify color and brightness feel right across tasks. If a particular site or app looks off, add a browser dark extension or set per app display rules so you don't lose contrast. Finally, if night light isn't present or won't stick, update Windows and your graphics drivers, disable HDR temporarily, then restart. This resolves most issues quickly. If problems persist, install Lux as an alternative and recheck settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.